Hey everybody, today we're bringing you some delicious Texas Twinkies. Easy twist on the Jalapeño Popper. We got some Budget Brisket we made a couple days ago. We need to be using it up, so might as well make some Texas Twinkies. What we're going to do, we got some softened cream cheese, we got some bacon, we got a shallot, a couple good sized jalapenos, a couple small, maybe a couple medium, some cheddar, a little bit of the Dano's spicy. We're going to show you how to whip up an easy little mixture and feed your family some delicious jalapeno poppers. Stick around, I'll show you how it's done. All right, first we're gonna do our shallot. All right, now we're gonna do our budget brisket. And if you haven't seen that video, check that one out. All right, now we're gonna put all of our stuff in the bowl. Now it's time for our jalapenos. We're going to cut them just down the middle. If you want, you can also just take the top off and core them. I find it much easier to just cut them down the middle, get a spoon, get the seeds out of there. But do however you want. And if you're sensitive to the jalapenos, you might want to wear gloves for this. Okay, now we're going to grab a spoon, be right back. All right, I'll get your bowl. Alright, now that we're done, we're going to toss this away, or we can compost it, whatever you want to do. And then we're going to get our cream cheese mixture, and then dump some in here with our spoon, and wrap them in bacon, and put them on the grill. Alright, we've had our cream cheese sitting out for a little while, but we wanted a little bit more room temperature-esque. So we're going to put them in here and microwave them for 30 seconds till they're nice and soft. Not bubbling, but just soft. Okay, perfect consistency right now. Nice and soft, but not too soft. So, we get our bowl. Block fuse right in here. And get our cheddar. A little bit of our spicy Dano's. And then we want to mix it up. Might want to take our spoon out though, that would be good. Okay, that's about what we want. I was going to give it a few spins with a drill, but I don't think we need to do that. This is perfect right here. So we are going to load up our jalapenos, and then we're going to wrap them in bacon. Alright, now it's time to stuff our jalapenos. We're going to stuff them first, and then we're going to wrap them. Now on these, you don't want to do too much, but do enough, you know, where it's a heaping, you know, over the top a little bit, but not too much. Or we made a little bit of extra. Can't really fill any jalapenos with them. So we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to see how it is versus the barbecue. First of all, we're going to spray our aluminum here so nothing sticks, and just, you know, have a little fun comparison. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven, maybe 275. We're going to compare with the results when these are done. Okay, my wife is offended by the plop, so we're going to spread it around a little bit. Nice and spread. All right, it's bacon time. I don't think we're going to use the whole package, but maybe about half of it. And for some of these, we can cut our bacon in half so we don't, like, you know, re-wrap and wrap and wrap. Okay, let's see what's up. Okay, see if that's enough. Now, some people use toothpicks. I'm not going to use toothpicks just because it makes it complicated. Okay, guess we do need more bacon. All right, you guys, ready to go? We got all of our bacon. I got everything looking real good. It all wrapped. We're gonna put a little bit of the seasoning on top of this, and we're gonna throw it on the grill. All right, now for this one, we're just going in with a little bit of brown sugar and some of the spicy Danos. I got maybe quarter cup, half a cup here, and we're gonna put maybe a teaspoon of the spice in it. Maybe not even that. Okay, just give it a little mix in here. Basically, we just want a little sugar. We don't want too much salt, which is why I love the Danos. Very good. Sweet, but spicy. Okay, these are good to go. I think we're ready. Okay, we're setting up an indirect cook. We don't need much charcoal. We just need a little bit of heat just to carry this for maybe 2-3 hours to get some nice color on the bacon. Maybe not even that, we'll see. That should be good right there. Throw a little cherry wood on there. Now we got our flamethrower and line up those coals. All right, that should be good. We're gonna put our wood on top of that and then clean our grates, put those poppers on, and they'll hang back and wait for them to cook. Yeah, just a few here. And now, where's my onion at? Oh, here it is in my pocket. All right, leave the onion there, and now we're gonna go grab our poppers, put them on. All right. All right, now we're gonna cover, and we're gonna let them just sit. We're gonna let them sit as long as they need to do. We're thinking maybe 2-3 hours, but we want them to have the color on the bacon and tenderness on the jalapeno most of all. So stick around to see how long it takes. All right, it's been about 2.5 hours. I'm pretty sure these babies are done. Go inside, check them out. All right, my friends, we're done. Check them out. 2.5 hours, temperature stayed around 250, 300, a couple flare-ups, but then it went down a bit, so around 250, 300. And then we did this in our oven right here. Got a nice little bark on it. It's a little brown, but that's okay. You got the, those sugars and the proteins react to the dry heat. Check that out though. Not too bad, not too bad. Go in there with the cracker. Like a sandwich out of it, I guess. Pretty good. Love the shallot. Not totally work. Not bad. Like a smoked meat kind of thing, but it's cheese, so there's a lot of the poor man's brisket that gives it flavor. Check this one out. See that brown sugar there on top with the Dano spice meat? Beautiful. Oh. This is phenomenal, especially with that brown sugar on top. Really, really good. All right, you guys, really simple. Just throw some stuff together, make some jalapeno poppers. You got a little extra smoked meat, make some Texas Twinkies. But it's a really simple process. I hope you learned something. Make sure you subscribe for the next one. Thank you. God bless.